How to fix Jello that did not set properly. Essentially, you prepare Jello by blending the supplied gelatin with boiling water. Then, add cold water. After that, you store it in the fridge to set for several hours. For the most part, it seems like an easy process. But keep in mind that there are indeed numerous ways you can mess it up. Though do not worry, because I can guarantee you approaches to prevent them from happening. Always remember that you have to mix according to package instructions. After that, you have to chill it for the Jello to set. If it did not work, then that could mean you have added plenty of water. Likewise, you have added fruits with an abundant amount of water content. You can fix Jello by mixing a cup of boiling water with a 3-oz box of Jello. Keep in mind that it has to have similar flavors. Afterward, make sure to whisk it till you have dissolved the Jello. After that, stir into your not set Jello recipe. Then, make sure to store it in the fridge till it sets. How to fix Jello that did not set properly. For starters, you can always try salvaging it. But if you cannot save it, you will need to redo the entire process. With that, dissolve the gelatin in boiling water. Make sure to do this before adding cold water to the mix. Keep in mind that this applies when you are preparing it from scratch. Also, if the gelatin does not dissolve well before you added the cold water, it will indeed not set. Afterward, ensure to cover the Jello with cling wrap. Do this if you intend to let it rest overnight. Not only that, but also it will stop the Jello from hardening and enabling it to set. Remember, ensure to remove all the fruits to prevent the Jello from setting. The main reason is that fruits like pineapple, papaya, and kiwi have an enzyme. Because of that, it breaks down the gelatin. Besides that, it prevents it from setting. Then, make sure to pick out fruits from the Jello till it starts to thicken. Bear in mind that the Jello must stay in the fridge for approximately 1.5 hours. For that reason, ensure to do this before you remove the fruits. Also, ensure to drain canned vegetables and fruits. How can I make Jello set faster? Essentially, gelatin is 70% protein. And it produces a chain matrix between gelatin molecules in the dessert that holds the liquid. In addition to that, it provides the dessert, or pudding with an appropriate shape that you can unmold. Moreover, know that gelatin and sugar both compete for water. For that reason, the correct quantity of sugar will supply a softer dessert. Not only that, but also a shorter chain. Keep in mind that you have to combine the sugar with gelatin. Do this before you add the water or other liquids. The main reason is that the jelly usually has sugar blended with gelatin before cooking. That is why this process typically works best. Before anything else, you have to dissolve the gelatin mix in 3/4 cup boiling water. After that, add ice to a 1/2 cup of cold water to make 1 1/4 cups. Then, make sure to stir the cold water into the gelatin till it thickens. Finally, ensure to remove any unmelted ice. And refrigerate for 30 to 90 minutes. Likewise, you can put it in the fridge till it is firm. Jello Desserts. Essentially, Jello does not have any gluten in the ingredients. That is why you can consider it gluten-free. Also, keep in mind that Jello is an exciting addition to any table. So with that, here are different Jello recipes. Pretzel Jello Dessert. You will love this kind of Jello dessert. Keep in mind that its salty pretzel crust is an excellent complement to the sweet cream cheese filling. Stained glass gelatin. Your children will love its wiggly and sweet gelatin. Not only that, but also its whipped topping dessert is exceedingly delicious. Though, do not be afraid to use various gelatin flavors. 7-layer gelatin salad. It is an eye-catching dessert that you will love to make for Christmas every year. In addition to that, you can select diverse flavors to make other color blends for gatherings and holidays. Rainbow gelatin cubes. Extremely fun to serve and eat. And you will enjoy the different colors to suit the occasion. Flavors of Jello. Jello has various delectable flavors you can choose from, such as berry blue, apricot, blackberry, and black cherry. In addition to that, it has a cherry lemonade, and blackberry fusion. Here are other Jello flavors. Cotton candy, grape, lemon, lime, mango, margarita, orange, pineapple, strawberry, Concord grape, fruit punch, green apple, lemon lime, mango, melon fusion, peach, raspberry, strawberry banana. Tips and tricks. Do not utilize frozen and fresh fruits that have the enzyme that breaks down the gelatin. Besides, it is best to refrigerate the Jello for approximately 4 hours. Furthermore, it would help to add only 1.5 times the quantity of salt. You can include other wet ingredients that the recipe needs. Take note of these when preparing twice the amount of Jello. Besides that, ensure to add twice the quantity of fruit, liquid, and gelatin when doubling the recipe. However, never ration other ingredients like salt or lemon juice. Moreover, it provides fruit addition recommendations on the side of the box of Jello. You can indeed use any fruits you want, though you have to lessen the water. You can do this with a half cup in your recipe. Also, note that it will be more jelly-like and softer if you use sufficient sugar in the gelatin. Additionally, you have to hydrate gelatin crystals in lukewarm water or other warm liquids, such as juices or milk. Doing this ensures that the crystal's edges will absorb the water. Though, make sure to keep stirring at intervals till it dissolves. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.